Hey guys, welcome back to Autoboss. Today I want to talk about why so many workshops are advertising to mechanics, not to customers. Let's dig into it. Today I want to talk about the fact that when I see so many ads on social media, I follow hundreds of workshops because it's obviously what I do. I see their ads and they're written kind of in the jargon that we would use talking to each other as mechanics. But the average customer doesn't understand what we do. And our marketing is aimed kind of trying to sound technical, but customers don't understand that. Instead of saying we have the latest diagnostic equipment, we have, what was the word we had on our workshop? I remember when we were putting the signs up in our workshop, it was computer diagnostic repairs written up there, along with brakes, servicing, computer diagnostic repairs. That sounded to me, it sounded smart. Now, I was in my early 20s and I thought that makes us sound smart. Customers don't understand what that means. Customers understand, got a check engine light on, bring it in, we can fix it. That's what they understand. That's what you need to market to. Not to, we have the latest level of scan equipment. We have an in-ground diagnostic four-wheel dyno. Like, people don't understand that. They understand their car's got a problem. They need their problem fixed, not the jargon that we use with each other. It's so simple to fall into that trap because the way that I talk with other mechanics, and we're talking about situations now, my young kids, the young fellas, they're all into four-wheel drives, and the way they talk would mean nothing to my wife who's sitting at the table. We understand what we're talking about. And I see so many workshops using that terminology in their advertising. You need to remember, you're not advertising to car people. You're advertising to bankers and to lawyers and to doctors, nurses, like people that work at the shops. They're not car people. You need to break it down to the simplest terms. Car due for a service, we can sort that out for you. Car making a noise that's not supposed to make, we can sort that out for you. Check engine light on, we can sort that out for you. You're not saying we replace oxygen sensors. We say you've got an issue with your vehicle running rich, or they don't even understand that. It's like, there you go. There's me like actually sliding into that. Their vehicle's using more fuel. They don't say my car's running rich. They say my vehicle's using more fuel than it's supposed to, or gas, as you guys call it. Now, I don't know why you call a liquid a gas, because there's three states: there's solid, liquid, and gas. And fuel is a liquid, yet you call it gas. Never understand that. But that's beside the point. Customers, I need you to think about it when you're writing your ads or when you're talking to customers. Remember, they're not car people. They're not like you and I. They just understand, got a problem, need the problem fixed. The only difference is you know how to fix it. How you do it is completely irrelevant. Well, it's not irrelevant as long as you're doing it properly. The equipment we use to fix it is irrelevant to a customer. They don't understand what we've got. They just understand the problem they have. They want their car back with the problem gone. I want you to think about that next time you're writing ads or next time you're talking to your customers. And as always, I know your time is valuable. That's why I try and keep these videos as short as possible. There's no point waffling on for an hour, something that you can get the gist of in 10 minutes, 5 minutes. You've got cars to fix, I've got workshops to transform. Let's both get back to work. But before you go, if you could do me a huge favor and hit the thumb, because you've got two and I've got one. It's only fair, don't you think? Till next time, this is Autoboss. See ya.